Hi everyone and welcome to a rather boozy recipe video. And today I'm making this super easy 2-ingredient early watermelon sake slushie, which was actually not my original intention for this watermelon that I bought here. What I actually wanted to do was make a sake infused watermelon. You've probably seen pictures of the internet with bottles of booze sticking out of watermelons. That's exactly what I wanted to do here. So I bought this mini watermelon because I didn't want to have a huge one and I didn't have space in my fridge. And I bought this small bottle of sake, which is about 180 millilitres. And yep, this was the idea. I was going to jam it right in. As you'll see, it won't work. If you want to cut straight to the slushie recipe, then use the timestamps down below. If you want to continue to see my fail just before that, then carry on watching. Now, the concept of making an alcohol-infused watermelon is quite simple. The watermelon flesh is like a sponge, it holds a lot of moisture, and the theory is you just jam the alcohol right into it by cutting a hole in the watermelon, and then it absorbs all the extra moisture, which is great if you have a large watermelon that's actually not as juicy as this one. This is what I didn't realise. The small ones tend to be quite juicy and already are quite saturated, so here I am waving goodbye to my watermelon and letting it sleep overnight in the fridge, and it's not absorbed anything the next day. So sad. And I did give it an extra day to try and see if it did anything, but it didn't, so we're making a slushie instead. And luckily this is just as simple and actually works a lot more easily if you do have a very saturated watermelon. So I'm just popping it off here, and I'm going to set this bottle aside, and all that's left to do is chop this bad boy up. All I need is about half of it to make the slushie. I just ate the other half and used some of it as a garnish. But in the end I froze about 300 grams of watermelon, and I'm taking most of the big seeds out, but I have quite a good blender so it will actually grind all those seeds up and you won't be able to feel them. So I'm going to freeze these overnight. And then I actually forgot about it for a week because it started raining in London, so as soon as the sun was out I remembered, watermelon slushie! So I took that out of the freezer, put it in my blender with 180 millilitres of sake. Full disclosure, I drank the first bottle. This is actually a second new bottle, and I'm just going to whiz it up. And I might as well stop the video here because it really is that simple. That's all you need. I'll pop the link to the blender I used down below so you can find it on Amazon. It is an affiliate link, which means if you purchase the blender through that link, then I will get a few pennies from Amazon for it, but you will not be charged any extra and you don't need to buy it through that link, but I really appreciate it if you do decide to. Again, no pressure, it's your choice. Now, go easy on this cocktail. It's one of those cocktails where you don't really taste the burny taste of alcohol. You can definitely taste the sake, but it doesn't taste strong, so go slow, drink responsibly. And this is perfect for a sunny day in the garden. I do hope we have more sun in England soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you'll join me next Wednesday for my next one. Get the full recipe on my blog tashcakes.com and find me on Instagram as tashcakestastes. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more. Give this video a like if you liked it to help other people find it. Comment down below if you'd like me to make anything in particular and for the algorithm. And I'll see you guys later. Stay safe, be nice, and have a good week.